Channel. In this video, I'm going to explain how to use a drawing board and how to prepare engineering drawings used based on certain instruments like mini drafter, template, and pencils of various grades. So this is a drawing board, a top surface over which we're going to fix a drawing sheet. Okay, and look on to this bottom of this drawing board. This is bottom surface, and it has this strip is called as battens, battens. There are two battens, okay, and these are called as base wood, made up of soft wood over which the drawing board is prepared or manufactured, and these are the screws used to fix the batten on this rectangular base of soft wood. And look on to the edges. This edge on the right hand side is called as ebony edge, EBONY, ebony edge, and it is hard and seasoned. The drawing board is seasoned to withstand the various climates. So usually this ebony edge should come on the left hand side of the user. So we turn the board like this. This is a drawing board used in engineering colleges, drawing hall, for preparing engineering drawings, usually used in a drawing hall purpose. Okay, and the ebony edge comes on the left hand side. Okay, so now I'm going to fix the mini drafter over the drawing board. Before that, you can use chart paper of any color as packing sheet or the base sheet over which we're going to fix the drawing sheet. This is chart paper, it may be of any color. So you bring this chart paper to this base edge, lower edge of the drawing board, and you can use cello tape for fixing this chart paper of any color. Okay, so let me use cello tape, and you can use scissor for cutting the strips of cello tape. So you can use this bottom of this, that is the top surface of this drawing board. You can paste the cello tape like this, and you can cut into some some 4 strips of suitable length. So we bring this chart paper edge under the drawing sheet, what is called as chart paper edge and the drawing board edge in coincidence like this, and you can mount the cello tape on the drawing board, that is on the 4 edges. You can use cello tape and fix it like this. One. So the base edge of the, that is the top surface of the drawing board must coincide, edge must coincide with the drawing sheet edge. On the 4 corners you can paste cello tape like this. So why we are pasting this cello tape? Because the impressions while using the pencil on the drawing board, there will be certain impressions. To avoid that, we use cello. What we use is chart paper to act as a base paper of the drawing board. Okay. Now you can take this is A2 size. This is A2 size drawing sheet. A2 size drawing sheet. Usually in colleges, A3 sheet is preferable. That is, if you cut this A2 by folding like this, you will get A3 size. A3 size will be 2 times of Xerox paper size. That is 2 times of A4. This is A4 sheet. It will be 2 times. That is A3. And it will be 4 times of A2. So you can easily remember like this. This is A3. This is A2 size drawing sheet. Will be 4 times of A4. That is the Xerox paper. 4 papers will makes A2 size. So now I'm going to use A3 size. Usually it is preferable in colleges. A3 size drawing sheet will be supplied in the examination hall also. Okay. So now I'm going to cut A2 into half, so that you will get as A3. So using scale, you can divide into half. Take a smaller scale or any ordinary scale. Do like this, and you can divide into half. So the size obtained is called as A3. It will be 2 times of A2. A3 sheet is obtained. So now I'm going to fix this what is called as a drawing sheet of A3 size over the drawing board. So you bring this, that is the right side lower part of your chart paper edge or the drawing board edge in coincidence with this base edge of longer side of your drawing sheet. Okay, and you can use cello tape, what is called a cello tape or drawing board clip. This is a steel clip used to fix the drawing sheet over the drawing board. This surface, this flat surface should come on the top. So don't do like this, so that the clip will lose its tension. Okay, you should not do like this. Just you firmly insert like this. Just by the bended portion of the drawing board clip should come at the bottom. Just you do like this, and you can fix the drawing sheet over the drawing board like this. Okay, so I have fixed one clip. Similarly, on the other lower edge, you can fix this steel clip or plastic clip. You can put one more clip. Nowadays, it is comes by plastic itself. So do it like this. Don't bend. Just you firmly insert the clip like this. Okay. So now the sheet has been fixed. The drawing sheet has been fixed on the drawing board. Next, I have to use. I'm going to explain how to use a mini drafter over the drawing board for preparing engineering drawings. So this is mini drafter. So this is the screw part of the mini drafter. Rotate the screw in anti-clockwise like this, so that you can take this scale part separately. Okay. Further, you rotate like this. This is clamp portion of the drawing board. What is called as mini drafter. So take this clamp portion, which we are going to fix it on the drawing board. Take it to the left top corner, left hand side. That is the ebony edge will be there. So over the left side top corner, you insert like this. Insert and butt this clamp portion and rotate the screw in clockwise. And so that the clamp portion of the mini drafter shall be fixed on the drawing board. Don't make over tight, just to make normal tight, it's sufficient. Now this is scale part of the mini drafter. So there will be another screw like this, what is called as nut. This is nut of the scale part. Rotate this in anti-clockwise, so that you can turn the scale portion like this, so that it can be loosened. Okay. Further, if you rotate, you can take this nut outside and you can detach the plate. This is red color is the plate, and there will be one washer. And this is a L scale or the scale part of the mini drafter. Don't do like this for learning purpose. I demonstrate like this. Okay. Don't take like this, so that it may be misplaced. So after placing the plate, red color plate, and put washer, fiber washer, and rotate this, put this nut and rotate in clockwise like this. Okay. Don't make over tight, just make a sufficient tight, normal tight is sufficient. So now this is loosened. Okay. So now bring the scale part over the base edge. This is lower edge of the right side, lower edge of the drawing board or the drawing sheet. This is longer scale edge. This edge must coincide with this right side lower edge of your drawing sheet and the drawing board edges. All the edges must coincide. Sheet edge, drawing sheet edge, drawing board right side edge, and the scale edge must coincide. Now by holding the scale, rotate this nut in clockwise, so that this longer scale will be perfect horizontal and this shorter scale will be perfect vertical. Understand? Now you can draw lines anywhere on the drawing sheet just by moving the scale part like this. And before that, there will be some 4 steel rods attached to this instrument, so that this works like this. Okay. So now you can take a pencil, and moreover, this is graduated in terms of centimeter. These numbers are given 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to 25 in terms of centimeter. For example, 10 means this much distance will be 10, and this is graduated in terms of centimeter, and vertical scale also graduated in terms of centimeter. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter, that you have to understand. Okay, 1 centimeter is equal to 10 small divisions of the drafter scale. Understand? So you can draw horizontal lines like this using longer scale. You can draw vertical lines on the drawing scale using this setup. Anywhere on the drawing sheet, randomly you can draw lines like this just by moving the drafter scale, so that this horizontal line drawn will be parallel to this longer edge of the that is base edge of the drawing sheet. Okay, and this is vertical lines. You can use a shorter scale for drawing vertical lines, so that the included angle between horizontal line and the vertical line will be 90 degree. Understand? And there are some 3 grades of pencils are to be used in while preparing drawings. This is ordinary pencil, is of HB, and this is H grade pencil. H means a hard pencil, and this is a 2H. 2H will be more harder than H pencil. That is the difference. HB will be normal pencil. Normal pencil will be, if you draw lines using HB pencil, it appears dark. Whereas if you use H pencil, it will be lighter. You can see the difference. And further, if you use 2H pencil, it will be more lighter, because this pencil is hard. 2H will be more harder than H pencil. Okay, and further there is some angles are also given in this mini drafter angles: 0, 10, 20, 30 in anti-clockwise as well as in clockwise. In anti-clockwise as well as in clockwise. Okay, you can prepare draw lines using this protractor arrangement also. Okay, for that you have to turn the scale. For that, releasing the drafter scale, rotate this nut in anti-clockwise, so that you can release the scale part like this. And whatever the angle required, there will be one small division. One small line will be there in the plate, red color portion of this mini drafter. One small line will be there with that as a reference. For example, if you want to draw a line inclined at 30 degree. Okay, so this is before that it is resetted. Before marking the angle, it has to reset. Reset means what? The first drawn line of this setup is this. This is the line. So you make the zero coincidence. That is, the longer scale of your drafter must coincide with the first drawn line. First drawn line is this. This is the line. So you adjust like this and rotate the nut in clockwise, so that now the scale is perfect horizontal and this is perfect vertical. So wherever you want to draw, mark or angle, locate one point on that horizontal line. Okay, for example, here I marked one point, located one point. With that at a reference, I'm going to draw 30 degree inclined line towards the right side like this. So again, you release your drafter scale by rotating the nut in anti-clockwise. Scale will be released. Turn like this. It may be turned in opposite direction also, whichever direction is required. Now I'm going to draw to this angle 30 degree. For that, you have to turn the scale upward, and there will be one graduation on this plate, red color portion, that must coincide with the number 30, means 30 now 30 degree, and rotate this nut in clockwise, so that now the scale has been tilted to 30 degree. Wherever you located the point, there you can draw an inclined line, And parallel with this setup, you can draw similar 30-degree lines like this at of regular or unequal, equal or unequal gap between this 30-degree line. So usually, so that this angle is now 30-degree. Okay, you can draw 45-degree inclined line, 45-degree inclined parallel lines anywhere on the drawing sheet. Suppose if you want to make this to be horizontal, as we drawn earlier, for that you have to release the nut of a drafter, rotate in anti-clockwise, the scale will be loosened. First drawn line as reference, keep the line edge and the scale edge, that is also a longer scale, in coincidence, and so that this will be perfect horizontal and this is perfect vertical. And we can draw parallel lines, horizontal parallel lines, vertical parallel lines anywhere on the drawing sheet randomly. What is the difference between using this ordinary scale and mini drafter scale? Means the accuracy of the diagram will be good and correct. You can save the time. That is the very purpose of using mini drafter. Suppose if you want to use ordinary scale, so if you cannot locate the longer scale, what is called as horizontal scale, randomly like this. Okay, you can draw approximately horizontal line only, and you can draw approximate vertical line. It may not be have 90-degree between horizontal and vertical. Error will be there because you cannot keep this scale perfect. It may be tilted right side or left side. Okay, similarly for horizontal, the scale may be not perfect horizontal to the paper edge. Whereas if you use drafter scale, you can draw any number of parallel lines and vertical lines, inclined parallel lines, vertical inclined lines like that, so that your time of drafting will be reduced and the accuracy of the diagram will be correct, and it will not go cross. Diagram will not go cross. It will be perfect vertical or horizontal. That is the purpose of using this drafter scale. So usually in the exam, if you use a drafter scale, your diagram accuracy will be good and you can save the time and answer all the questions asked in the question paper. Okay. So you can use this drafter, it's called as mini drafter, like this. Okay. And how to fold the drawing sheet after drawing the diagram on the A3 size, how to pack it or how to submit for correction to your teacher or the professor. So remove this clip like this. And take punching machine like this. You would have seen. So this is the A3 size drawing sheet. You fold like this. Left side you fold like this and make one press like this. With this as pressed mark as reference, take a punching machine. The punching machine center must coincide with this marked. So just to insert like this. In punching machine there will be one arrow, center arrow, that must coincide with this marked, the pressed mark on this drawing sheet. Just to press like this, so that you can put two small holes. Take a file, tag file. Usually this ordinary file is preferable, that is made up of cardboard, and it will be tag. Release this tag. It should have a uniform height. Okay. Now you take this tag outside like this. Okay. Now you take a drawing sheet where you prepared certain drawings. You insert this thread ends like this. And you can insert on this holes provided on the file, tag file. And you bring this paper center of your cardboard folded edges. Just don't tear. Safely you locate this like this. Okay, and you like this. Okay. Now and you can put a knot like this. This second knot is usually put like this. Now this is a file, and this chart paper, what is called as a drawing sheet, has been fixed, and make a single fold like this. Single fold to accommodate this drawing sheet on the file, and you can submit for correction after writing your name, college or whatever it is, okay, and submit for correction. Like suppose if you want to prepare next, if you want to file the next sheet, means the same procedure shall be followed. Again, put two holes using punching machine, and you can put this, release this thread, and you can insert. Usually the first drawing shall comes bottom, that you have to remember, okay. Latest drawing shall be fixed one over the other, like this, okay, goes like this. So very first drawing will come at the bottom. That is the usual procedure to be followed, okay. And you can submit for correction or evaluation. That is to your teacher or master, okay. And this is the way. And you can also detach this this drafter. How to detach the drafter from the drawing board? So this is a clamp portion. Rotate this screw in anti-clockwise, so that the clamp part shall be released, and rotate this nut in anti-clockwise. The scale will be released like this, and you can insert this scale part. Before that, you rotate this nut in clockwise. Don't make over tight, and you can release the screw of your clamp portion of your mini drafter, and you can insert like this. Insert, and you can rotate the screw in clockwise. Okay, now it can be handled safely to anywhere where it is required. And thanks for listening, yes.